Nature of matter. Meaning of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It exists in different forms and can undergo physical or chemical changes. Examples of matter include water, air, wood, stone, and iron. States of matter. There are three basic states of matter with two more advanced states. That solid particles are tightly packed in a fixed shape, definite shape and volume. Incompressible. Low energy. Examples: ice, metal, wood. Liquid particles are loosely packed and can slide past each other. No fixed shape, but fixed volume. Slightly compressible. Medium energy. Examples: water, milk, oil. Gas particles are far apart and move freely. No fixed shape or volume, easily compressible, high energy. Examples: air, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Additional states: plasma, ionized gas found in stars, lightning. Bose-Einstein condensate, extremely low temperature state. First, earlier on lightning the substances that made in matter. All matter can be classified into two main categories: undistrict matter, matter creation. Pure substances. These have uniform composition and properties throughout. They can be described inter first off deserves. Elements cannot be broken into simpler substances. Example: hydrogen, H, oxygen, O, iron, Fe. Compounds made up of two or more elements chemically combined in fixed ratios, e.g. water, H2O, sodium chloride, Na chloride, carbon dioxide, CO2, N-francarate. Mixtures, a combination of two or more substances not chemically combined. Mixtures are classified as homogeneous, uniform composition, components not visible, water, air, soft drinks. Non-uniform, components are visible, water, salad, oil, comparison table. Property forms: compound, one type of atom, water or more elements substances. Cannot be broken combined. Examples: XH, Fe, O lieutenant, seawater. Identify substances in the classroom as elements, compounds, or mixtures. Demonstrate separation of a mixture, e.g. sand and salt. 1. Define matter and list the three basic states of matter. 2. Classify the following as element, compound, or mixture: iron, water, air, salt, carbon